Hi everyone. I would like to give a small review about ST, who is called a Simple Trader, and his mentorship program, which I've taken a couple of weeks back. To be very frank, I was very much frustrated in doing trading, and I've done around 6+ training, but I was struggling to find a proper setup on how to do a proper trading with a proper setup. And I was just checking ST's Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, and he used to come every day on the Telegram channel, and he used to do a small live session for 20 to 30 minutes. So I was joining the 20-30 minute session on daily basis, and I was very happy with that 30 minutes live session which he was doing. And also he has given a free setup called BOF, which he is having in his free channel itself, YouTube channel. I saw that video and was very impressed after seeing that 2 hours video. Then I was closely monitoring him for nearly 2 to 3 weeks. Then thought I can go for his mentorship program, and I've decided and I've pinged him for a mentorship program. And finally I joined his program. Luckily he conducted one, and I've joined his program. And I was very much happy after joining his program. The specialty of this program is there's no indicators, there is no OI, nothing. Trades with a plain chart with no indicators and no OI. First I was very much frustrated to know this setup, because there's no indicator, no OI, nothing to check how this is going to work out. But after finishing his program, I was very happy, and he gave around 4 to 5 setups. So after knowing all 4 to 5 setups, I have started implementing that slowly in the trading, and it is really working out very well. And the specialty of this program is he conducts a live session for 2 weeks, which none of the mentors does, okay, in front of mentees. That is specialty of ST. So what he does is, after the 2 days program, mentorship program, he conducts 2 weeks of live session, where he will be with us for around 4 to 5 hours live, and we'll be trading along with ST. And the last 2 weeks, the live session what we had, it was really excellent, and it has done wonders. After doing live session with him, I have started trading my own setups in Bank Nifty using the trading setups which was given by ST, and it has really worked out well. And I'm on a profit for continuous 10 days now. So I would recommend this program to everyone. And if you would really looking up for a trading setup with no indicators, no OI, just with a plain chart, then go for ST's program. And I'm sure this is 100% worth. And after this program, I can assure you that you can start taking your trading. You can start doing trading by your own without help of anyone, including ST. So I was really happy with the mentorship program. Thank you so much, ST. This was really a life-changing one. Thank you, ST.